Are you aware of how to get a mortgage facility from the bank? Have you tried? Today, we'll be doing a vox pop on mortgage or getting a mortgage loan. But first, what is a mortgage loan? A mortgage is a loan provided by a mortgage lender or a bank that enables an individual to purchase a home. So let's find out what people understand by getting a mortgage or getting a mortgage loan. So hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Now what's your name, please?
Mohammed.
Mohammed, have you heard anything about a mortgage loan before?
No, I haven't.
Okay, mortgage loan is a facility you get to get a property or to acquire a property. So will you be interested in acquiring a property?
Yes, I will be.
You have a property before?
No, I don't.
Okay, so how do you intend to acquire a property?
Well, I intend on taking a loan from the bank and find a way to be paying maybe monthly or yearly.
Okay, that is a mortgage loan we are talking about. If it has to do with property, then it's a mortgage loan we are looking at.
Okay.
So, will you be interested to take a mortgage loan from the bank?
Yes, I will be. Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you know the procedures you need to take to get a mortgage facility?
I don't know about that.
Okay, you know you are eligible to get a facility from Federal Mortgage Bank, but you have to go through a primary mortgage institution that will fill in your procedure and get everything right for you. If you meet the requirement, then you can access your Federal Mortgage Bank loan.
I'm Mr. Imo Udobasi. What I really know about mortgage is a loan you collect from a bank in order to purchase a property. Just because of I've not really sit down to think about what I want to really buy at hand. I've not decided on the kind of thing I want to use my mortgage for.
Okay, now if you want to get any loan, a mortgage loan now,
yes,
do you have an idea of where you can go to get a mortgage loan?
Yeah, there are other mortgage banks, quite alright. Like I know of microfinance banks, there are mortgage banks that give loan in order to purchase what's the property or what you want to get.
Thank you very much for granting us this time. Hi. So what's your name?
Debbie.
Yeah. Okay, Debbie, have you heard about mortgage loan before?
Yes, I have.
Have you acquired any loan before?
No, I haven't.
Why have you not taken any mortgage?
Well, mostly I've had the impression that mortgage loans, the terms are not quite flexible, even if you have to take one. So most of the times I think of loans, I'm thinking of, it's not flexible. What if they are up on my case, like, okay, I should pay up really quickly or something like that. So for me, it's mostly about the pressure of having to pay this loan.
Okay, is it the pressure of paying the loan or the procedure to get the loan that is the problem?
Well, I think both, but mostly for me, it is the terms of trying to meet up to this loan after it has been taken.
It's not taking the loan that is the problem, but other terms that you think might come up. That is what is putting you off from taking a loan.
Yes.
But do you know that you can access a loan to get a property easily, because that is acquiring an asset?
Well, I don't know about being easy, but I do know that it's possible. Yes,
it's possible.
Samuel Ajayi. My understanding of mortgage is a loan given by a bank. You know, we have several mortgage banks just to assist you in business, like majorly in form of cash. Yeah, I've collected a loan before, majorly from banks, commercial banks.
No, a mortgage.
A mortgage? No, I've not.
You have not collected a mortgage loan before.
Yeah.
Do you, can you explain the process or the procedure? Do you think it is easy and can be collected by anybody?
Yeah. Actually, I've not collected mortgage loan before, but because of my field, I'm an accountant and I've seen so many people who have applied and collected it. And from their experience, which they shared with me, I don't think it's difficult getting it once you meet up to the requirements and you are fine with the terms and conditions.
So it's nice speaking with you, Mr. Samuel.
Yeah, thank you very much.
I am Engineer Benga Ojaumi.
Engineer Gbenga, you're welcome to this program of Property Doctor. We want to find out from you if you know anything about mortgage loan.
Sure, I know much about, very little about mortgage loan.
Have you ever considered collecting a mortgage loan before?
I did. I tried sometimes back last year, and thing just hooked just like that.
What was the problem you encountered in collecting the loan?
No. When they told me about it, they encouraged me on how to value the exact property I wanted, which I did. I opened an account with the mortgage bank, but at a level, after I submitted my applications and all that, I was told to raise some money as an equity in the bank, but of which I did not. They didn't inform me about that one before, earlier. So at that level, I found it very difficult to continue.
Okay, but that means you went through the procedure and then you now had a problem of getting the equity that they needed for them to give you the loan.
Exactly.
Do you think that mortgage plans in Nigeria is encouraging the Nigerian, an average Nigerian, to get a mortgage facility?
That's exactly what I'm saying. People, average Nigerians, are finding it very difficult when it comes to the level of equity. Oh, okay, now based on my salary, how will I be able to raise that kind of money as an equity?
That means you're a civil servant. There's no particular provision for civil servants to get a facility.
No, I don't know any of them. I don't.
Okay, thank you very much, sir, for speaking with us. And we spoke to people on the street, and we found out that some people are aware of how to get a mortgage loan. Some are not even aware. Some tried and could not even get the facility. Are you aware of how to get a mortgage facility from the bank? Have you tried? If you have, or if you have not even, just leave a comment below.